Hi, I'm Daryl Wagner, Automotive Artistry, British Car and Bike. Got a couple projects going on in here, as you can see, between one side and the other. But the one we have that I want to show you today is in the body shop side. A few different projects, lovely MGB. Got a motor that I wanted to show off. That's a 1957 XK140 for a client. This is a full rebuild, top to bottom. It's 20 over on the pistons, 10 under the rods and the mains. We've rebuilt the transmission as well as the overdrive. We break everything out into this easy run engine stand, which makes it easy to get anything taken care of as far as the carb adjustment, the ignition timing. Maybe you have an oil leak, something unexpected, and you can get it done here in this stand and get a couple hours run time before you put it into the car, which is our next step. Once I get done with this, then we'll break it down and start installing the motor. Fan on, fuel pump on, ignition coil on. She's a little cold, so she may spin a bit. Pretty simple and pretty easy. We do everything in-house from the tear down and the spec, short-sided machining. I have a shop that does that for me in Akron. But then we do the full assembly. I'm going to be responsible to you as a client for something as such as the motor, the transmission. I want to make sure it's right. Thank you for watching.